Hi everyone, welcome to the fourth video in the How to Sell on Amazon course series. As always, I am providing the link to the playlist of this course in the iCard above. So you may check out this link to watch all the other videos in this course. In today's video, I am going to talk about how you can create a seller account on Amazon. So let's get started. First of all, we should go to the link given in the description box below, which is sellercentral.amazon.in. And you can see an option called Start Selling here. Click on that and we will get a page like this. So now click on the option called Create Your Amazon Account, and then you get a screen like this. Here you need to type in your full name, provide your mobile number. Make sure to use a mobile number that you don't use as a buyer on Amazon platform. You may type in your email address now, otherwise you can add it later. After that, you need to set a password that has at least 6 characters. Once you type that, you can click on the continue option. Now you should have received an OTP in the mobile number you provided. Type in that OTP and click on Create Your Amazon Account. Now it asks for the email address. You can type in the email address now and type in the password you have set earlier. You can avoid this step if you have added the email address in the first screen itself. Now click on continue and we get a page like this. It says you need to keep your bank account information, GST and PAN card details handy. So to fill this page, first of all you need to type in your business or company name just as it is there in the GST certificate. After that you click on the checkbox and click on continue option. As our mobile number is already verified, it has moved us to the next page which asks for the seller information. Here, first of all, you need to enter the store name. A store name can be different from the one you have on your GST certificate. It is this name your customers on Amazon see beneath your product name. Just like how we check the availability of usernames while creating accounts, you need to check the availability of store name here. You can see that my store name is unavailable. So I am making some changes and doing the same step again. Okay, now it is available. I will proceed to the next field. Now you need to select the product category here. If you are selling in multiple product categories, all you need to do is choose the primary product category, which is select the category in which your majority of products will be sold. Enter your PIN code, then you need to type in the address of your business. Give the address from where you will be doing the business on Amazon. Now divide your address into 2 sections and type it in 2 fields. All the other information like city, state, country, region is loaded automatically from the PIN code given. Now we will click on the continue option and we get a page like this. Here you can add a new address if you want to. Now you need to select which shipping method do you prefer to deliver your orders to customers. You can select the easy ship option or self ship option by clicking on the check boxes. If you are unable to select both the options from here, don't worry, you can edit it in the shipping settings later. You choose the preferred option and click on next. Now we have to enable 2-step verification. For this you can either use your mobile number or use the Authenticator app. I am using the mobile option here. You can receive the OTP in any of the 2 ways, either by requesting an OTP as SMS or you can receive the OTP on voice call. I have provided my mobile number and then selected the SMS option. Now I am clicking on the continue button. I am entering the OTP I have received on my mobile here and I click on the continue option. Here in this screen you can click on the checkbox and click on the I got it button. Next, your tax details are asked. Now in the first column enter the legal name of the seller, that is the one you have in your documents. Next, type in your GST number. PAN card details will be automatically fetched from the GST number you provided. Now if you don't have GST, you can click on the I will update later option or I have not registered for GST option. If you plan to sell your products in the GST exempted category, you can select that option from here. If you already have GST but does not have it handy now, you can choose that option from here. My GST details are already linked to another Amazon seller account, so please ignore the error I received here. Once you type in the information or select the option that you want, click on the next option. Now we get a screen like this. Firstly, the product listing details are asked. We will add it later, so leave it for the time being. Now we will set up the shipping fee. If you want to offer free shipping for your customers, click on the offer free shipping option from here. Otherwise, click on the set fee option and enter in the fees for local shipping, regional and national shipping. Easy ship fees are already mentioned here. If you plan to only easy ship your orders, you can just enter the same details as given here and click on the save option. Now we need to enter the bank account details. First of all, you type in the account holder's name, then select the type of your bank account. Enter the bank account number and provide the IFSC code by clicking on the yes option here. You can get the IFSC code from your passbook. If you don't know your IFSC code, you can click on the no option here and then search for your bank name. After that, select the city and branch of your bank and the IFSC code will be displayed to you. Now click on the save option. Now we need to set the default product tax code for your products. For this purpose, all you need to do is find which tax rate is chargeable for the majority of your products. If most of your products have a GST rate of 12%, select the option with 12% from here. Here all the tax codes are displayed. From here, select the one that is applicable for your products. Click on the checkbox here and click on save option. Now we need to add your signature. You can either use this draw option from here and use your mouse to draw your signature on the screen and click on confirm if you are happy with it. Otherwise, you can use the clear option and do it again. Otherwise, you can upload the image of your signature here. You can simply sign on a white paper, click an image of it or scan it and upload it here. You have to make sure that the image of your sign does not exceed 2 MB. Once you upload your sign, you get a cropping tool. You can adjust it as per your sign and you can use the save option. You can use the change option if you are not happy with the image. Now we are done with everything here. Click on the continue to seller central option and there we have our dashboard. So this is how we create a seller account on Amazon. I hope you find the video helpful. If yes, please give a thumbs up to this video. Thank you for watching.